Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by gathering proofs that clearly show the name change and both old and new spellings. Once done, access the Aadhaar portal or walk into an Aadhaar center and select the name update option. This speeds processing. Make sure your Aadhaar number or VID and your registered mobile are ready for OTP verification. You'll fill Form 1, attach scanned documents, and submit. This starts the official request and generates an update request number so you can track progress. Next, you upload high-quality scans. 300 dpi often works best, and ensure files meet UID size rules to avoid rejection. Then authenticate using the OTP sent to your registered mobile. If you are at a center, the executive may capture biometrics instead. After submission, the system issues a URN. Write it down. This number is crucial for tracking. You should also see an estimated processing time. Typically, it takes about 7 to 14 days, but complexity in name changes. To complete the process, regularly check the URN status on the UID portal or wait for SMS updates. This tells you when the update is approved and when a new Aadhaar is available. If your request is rejected, read the reason carefully, correct or add supporting documents, and resubmit promptly. Don't change unrelated fields. If processing stalls beyond 30 days, escalate through the UID grievance portal or return to the center with URN and original documents to get a resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.